Hey y'all, what's up? My name is John Alexander. Welcome back to the channel. For everybody that's new, do yourselves a favor, smash the subscribe button. Y'all are tuned in to the #1 Yeezy channel. So stay tuned, we got a brand new unboxing coming right up next. So what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's been doing real good. We're still in September. Got a ton more Yeezy releases. They dropped the magnets. They dropped the Inertia V2s, which we're about to unbox for y'all real quick. And then this weekend they're dropping the 3 different colors in the desert boots. Out of the 3, most popular I would say is going to be the Salt, since it's a new colorway we haven't seen yet. I'm real excited to pick those up. We're going to get a review for y'all on the channel. After the desert boots drop, they're following up with the Power Phases and the clear brown colorway, which I'm going to be real excited to get my hands on a pair of those. Then followed by, you got the Cloud Whites and the reflective and the non-reflective. If y'all want to see those guys, just check out my review on those. Followed after the Cloud Whites, they're dropping the Citrons, which we do have a video here on the channel for y'all. And then the last release for the month of September on the 28th, Ye is dropping the 700 V2. They're calling those the Hospital Blues, which really fire. A lot of people are waiting on those. Me myself, I can't wait to get an early pair. We're gonna definitely have those on the channel. So that's gonna be the month of September, and October is packed also with releases. So we got another package. These are the Inertia V2s. So we're gonna unbox this here on the channel, and we're gonna do a comparison versus the V1s. This sneaker, a lot of people slept on, and there's a few different reasons. Reason number 1 is there's so many Yeezys dropping. People are picking and choosing. They're not cheap. These are retail at $300. So people are picking and choosing on their sneakers. Now another reason is this is another colorway that they dropped already. So the Inertia V1s are a sneaker that a lot of people, they're already sitting at under retail on the resale market. So a lot of people felt like it was unnecessary for them to drop a V2. But they're pretty dope regardless. So let's go ahead and check them out, y'all. Got these in a size 11. As y'all can see, Inertia. So pick this pair up off of GOAT. So for everybody that's been, there we go. So let's do it together, y'all. Here we go. Got the 700. Yeah, these are clean. I ain't gonna lie, these are real clean. What y'all think? Let me know your feedback right down there in the comment section. I don't know what y'all think. These are real fire. This shoe, it's got a light, almost like a gum bottom. So you got all kind of different hints of blue. So your little drops, you got those in the bright orange color. Now in terms of this material, it's the same that they used on the Statics, which a lot of people were feeling that. So we're gonna get a 3M test right here on these two for y'all to see. But these are a real dope sneaker. How many of y'all picked these up? They just dropped over the weekend. Or how many of y'all slept on these? Thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Alright y'all, so we got the latest pickup right here for you guys. These are the Yeezy 700 V2s. These are the Inertia colorway. So let me know what y'all thinking about these sneakers. They're real fire. They retail at $300. Right now, in certain sizes, you guys can pick these up on StockX or GOAT for under retail. So like most of the like all the 700s they've been dropping, these are going under retail. So y'all go ahead and pick these up if you're feeling them. A lot of people slept on them. They were so crammed up with releases this month, so a lot of people slept on these. If y'all are feeling these, it's great for y'all. You can go ahead and get these at a good price. So again, they are dropping those hospital blues, which the crazy thing about those is they're actually going to be close to this, minus you got the orange, minus the gum. They're doing like a black bottom. They're going to be kind of close to these. The 3M is going to be different on those. The 3M on the hospital blues, you guys can expect to be similar to the 3M that you see here on these Vantas. So this is a real dope sneaker. Like we mentioned earlier, a lot of people didn't pick these up because the V1 wasn't that popular. Some people already got the V1, so they're passing on these. So let's go ahead and grab the V1. And you let me know what y'all think. So in the comments, tell me which one y'all feeling. You like the V1 better, or do you like the new redesign of this here V2? Here's the V1 that was released earlier this year. Real underrated colorway. Now the main difference, only real difference between these, bottoms. So this one's a little lighter. Doesn't make a big difference to me. Thoughts and opinions, which one was better, V1 or the V2? I know this is probably going to be the unpopular opinion, but I like the V1 better. If it was up to me, I'd have to go with the V1. Yeah, the V1's are real dope. So it's just another Yeezy release, guys. How many of y'all seen those Yeezy Crocs that they got coming out? What do y'all think about those? Actually, believe it or not, I hate Crocs, but those ain't bad. They're not bad. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Remember, y'all, we've been growing on the channel. I need everybody to leave a comment, like this video, spread the video around. That giveaway is coming up real soon. So we're gonna give away a pair of Calabasas sweatpants at 5K to one of y'all. So thank y'all so much. And so at 5K we doing that. My next giveaway, I really do want to give away a pair of Yeezys for y'all. So I don't know the number yet. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna give away a pair of Yeezys here on this channel. It's the #1 Yeezy channel. So y'all subscribe, John Alexander. Follow me on IG. Appreciate everybody that's been tuning in since day one. And all the new people, y'all just jump right ahead. Jump on board, y'all. So let's wrap it up. John Alexander, thanks everybody for watching. Y'all be blessed, and I'm out.